your Chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today we are going to create a very tricky and awesome Italian delicacy known as lasagna, and this recipe is inspired by Chef Gordon Ramsay. So we are going to make a veg lasagna. So the first step is to make the chunky tomato sauce by the addition of all the vegetables. So we are going to make a healthy tomato sauce. So let's get started. The next step would be making a bechamel sauce, also known as white sauce. So this sauce will be made by flour, butter and lots of milk. And we are also going to add some cheddar cheese into this. So let's boil our lasagna sheets. I'm using store-bought lasagna cheese, but you can use fresh one as well. So I'm going to boil this on a very high temperature, al dente. Let's layer our pasta with all the sauces and lots of cheese, and after that we are going to bake our lasagna into 180 degrees centigrade.